Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about the difference between Heygen versus Creatify. In order to do so, here we are starting off in Heygen. And one thing I could tell you from both of these platforms, I really quite like them both. It's kind of hard to pick one over the other. They both seem to do very similar things. This is much more engineered for product ads, tutorials, things of that sort. And we could just take a look here to kind of see what the difference is. But so here we are in Heygen. Let's go ahead and click on Create Video. And you can see here that we have a couple of options. We can either create a video using an avatar that Heygen provides, or we can translate videos with lip sync while retaining the speaker's original voice. So if you want to bring your own voice in there and then use an avatar on top of that, you can. Let's go ahead and click on Avatar Video. And what you can do is you can either start from scratch. You can change your aspect ratio here, and you can use a template. You can upload a PowerPoint PDF. You can even generate a script. And let's go ahead and click on that, because this is something that I think is what I would use primarily, where you can enter in a specific topic. You can add additional info, change the language, change the tone, or you can even use a URL. So if you have a specific website and you want to bring that in here and add some additional info just for context, then Heygen is going to create a video for you that is really quite impressive. So let's go ahead and we're going to go to an example of something that I created. So let's go ahead and pick this one here. And this is what you're going to find once you go through the first steps that I just showed you there. It's going to bring you here, and you can see that we can pick our avatar, and you can select from a variety of different avatars that they have available. And you can see here that we have a script, and if this is, if we generated a script the way that I showed you earlier, then this is basically what's going to come out here. Is you're going to have this script, you're going to have different scenes. Those scenes are going to be split up here in your editor. And you can modify the scripts so that way you can actually delete them if you want, or you can just change anything that you want in them. And then down here, that will be reflected in the bottom. Now you are going to need to, if you delete something, then you are going to need to delete that entire section, because otherwise you'll get a blank section here. And another thing that you want to take care of is you want to make sure that all of your timing is lined up properly, because you can actually use multiple avatars. You can use different looks as well. So if we find our character here, then you can see that we have several different outfits that we can choose from. So if you want to keep things a little bit more dynamic, then you can actually have multiple looks throughout your video. You just want to make sure that the timing is set up properly, because otherwise you might get some strangeness there. Let's go ahead and head back here, and I just want to show you really quick something that I created to give you an idea of what Heygen is capable of.
Welcome to our channel, where we delve into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence tools. Today, we are excited to introduce you to an innovative tool that is transforming the way we create and manage tasks. AI is not just a buzzword, it's a powerful technology that enhances productivity, creativity, and efficiency in everyday tasks. So let's explore one of the latest advancements in AI that could change how you work and play. As we look to the future, the potential for AI tools is limitless. As artificial intelligence continues to evolve,
so just with that, you can get an idea for what Heygen is capable of, and the results are really quite stunning. The lip sync is right on. You could see there was a little bit of a strange transition. That's what I was kind of talking about. The timing was a little bit off when I did this, did the editing, but you could see how you can kind of have a dynamic view and show your avatar in different scenarios. But at the end of the day, the lip sync and just everything, the quality of it is just really top notch, and it's very helpful for being able to create tutorials. So let's go ahead and take a look at Creatify, and we'll see what the difference is between the two of them. And quite honestly, they are quite similar. So if we go to videos, we can see here that we can create an AI video ad by turning any product URL, visual assets, or scripts into winning video ads. We can create avatar videos, design your avatar. You can create AI shorts. You've got a batch mode here. Let's go ahead and click on Create Now. And you'll see that it'll actually give you here where you can create a video using a product link. So, for example, if we are going to go, if I were to put in the example that I'll show you here in just a moment, what I did was I put in the URL for the Skillcraft channel on YouTube and analyzed that, and then basically just going through the steps. What we end up with, I'll go ahead and show you. I'm going to go here to our projects, and I'm going to go ahead and click on this.
I remember struggling to grasp AI concepts, feeling stuck and frustrated. Then I discovered Skillcraft AI on YouTube. Their expert-led tutorials transformed my understanding, boosting my confidence. Skillcraft empowers you to conquer AI challenges. Subscribe now and elevate your skills.
Yeah, so you could see there for yourself, really quite nice. I mean, the tutorial is, the lip sync is really well done. The quality is pretty good. There's a little bit of strangeness kind of going around the avatar there, but that's just because we're kind of green screening in the background. So it's not perfect in that regard, but just in regards to being able to set up a quick little ad, this is really quite nice. And they do provide you some free credits to be able to play around with that. I believe Heygen does as well. Let's go ahead and just head back here just to double check that. Yeah, so we have, I believe it offers us 3 videos per day, per month. So you can create up to 3 videos per month. So depending on who you are, that might be more than enough for what it is that you need. Creatify, let's see, as far as their credits go. So we do have the free version, and we get 10 credits per month. So that equals about 2 videos. So somewhat limited, but again, depending on what it is that you're doing, that might be enough. Now, the only downside of that is that it does export with the watermark around it. So, you know, at the end of the day, they're kind of getting you towards paying the subscription. But quite honestly, I mean, both of them I think are quite impressive. They both do something similar, but as far as the pricing goes, it does look like Heygen is a little bit more competitive. Now, there might be some limitations as far as, okay, so yeah, for $29 a month, you can create and edit as many videos as you need with unlimited video generation. So that's pretty impressive. Now, the limitation there is that videos can only be up to 5 minutes, whereas if you go up to the team version, then you can do up to 30 minutes, videos up to 30 minutes. But really quite impressive, and what you can accomplish with that, the fact that it's unlimited, I mean, that's pretty nice too. I would say that between the two of them, I would be more inclined towards Heygen based on the pricing. I think that the pricing is just a little bit more competitive. And while I really like the results with Creatify, I would say that Heygen just, to me, impresses me just a little bit more. The quality on the avatar and everything, the way that the delivery is just quite natural, I think is really quite impressive. So it's up to you what it is that you think is more important for you. If that limitation of 5 minutes is not enough, well, you can always try the other one. But I would say that between the two of them, they are both really quite impressive. I would say that Heygen edges out Creatify just a little bit more in terms of quality and also pricing. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.